Good morning, all of you. Coordination chemistry. Under this, importance and applications of coordination complexes we are going to discuss. Not all type of applications, only the applications in medicines, industrial application, photography and extraction of metal. These applications we are going to discuss in this video. The applications of coordination complexes in biological system and metal complexes we will discuss in the separate video. The coordination complexes are of good importance. These compounds are present in many plants, animals and in minerals. Some of the applications we are going to discuss in this video. And the first one is phthalo blue. First one is phthalo blue. It is one of the color. Which color? A bright blue pigment. It is a very bright blue pigment. Pigment means coloring material. It is a complex of copper 2 ion. Phthalo blue is a bright blue pigment. It is a complex of copper 2 ion. And where it is used? It is used in printing ink. It is used in printing ink and also used in packing industry. And also used in packing industries. In this, the phthalo blue is used in printing ink and in packing industry. The second most application of important applications of the coordination complex is in Mond's process. You may hear this word in metallurgy chapters. This process used in the refining of nickel. In Mond's process, it is used in the refining of nickel. You know the studies, the equations involved in refining of nickel. The impure nickel in solid state, impure nickel, when treated with carbon monoxide gas, and the reaction is carried out at 350 Kelvin, gives nickel tetracarbonyl, a neutral complex in vapor phase, in gaseous vapor phase. Nickel tetracarbonyl. Again, the nickel tetracarbonyl, NiCO 4 times gaseous vapor state compound, when heated to about 460 Kelvin, this nickel tetracarbonyl undergo decomposition immediately and gives pure nickel in solid state with the vaporization of carbon monoxide. The nickel obtained here is about 99.5% pure nickel is obtained here. 99.5% pure nickel is obtained here. Second application. Third application is EDTA. Ethylene diamine tetraacetato. Ethylene diamine tetraacetato, EDTA. It is used as a chelating ligand. It is used as a chelating ligand. chelating ligand for the separation of lanthanides, softening of hot water, and also removing lead poisoning, and also used in removing lead poisoning. How it is used in removing lead poisoning? I am going to give one important point. EDTA used to remove lead poisoning. EDTA used to remove lead poisoning. Chelation is very effective way to treat heavy metal poisoning. Chelation is very effective way to treat heavy metal poisoning. The US Food and Drug Administration, EDTA, the US Food and Drug Administration has approved prescriptions chelation therapy for the treatment of lead poisoning. The administration approved the prescriptions chelation therapy for the treatment of lead poison. Injected EDTA binds with the harmful metal and both are then eliminated from the body through the kidneys. EDTA complex is injected. That injected EDTA binds with the harmful metal, that means lead, and both are then eliminated from the body through the kidney. This is how the EDTA acts as used to remove the lead poisoning. The next application for coordination compound. Next application for coordination compound is also in metallurgy. You may studied about this Mach Author forest cyanide process. Forest cyanide process. So, in this process, what is the use of this process? In this process is used in the extraction of gold and silver. In both the extraction, in the extraction of gold, when the ore of gold is treated with potassium cyanide solution, first it forms a soluble complex of KAuCN twice, potassium cyanide, which when treated with zinc, that zinc displaces all Au as metallic gold. Au as metallic gold is precipitated. And in the Mach Author forest cyanide process of silver, sodium argentocyanide is formed in the first step. In the second step, which when treated with the metallic Zn, metallic zinc precipitate silver. So, complex formation takes place, and in the second step, both the metal ions are reduced by zinc and gives the respective complexes. Then, the main uses of applications of coordination complex, it is used to estimate nickel from nickel chloride. The next important application, coordination complexes, metal ions, some metal ions are estimated more accurately for the formation of complex. For example, nickel 2+ ion present in nickel chloride, nickel is a 2+ ion in NaCl2, is estimated. The amount of nickel 2+ ion can be accurately determined by forming an insoluble complex called Ni dimethylclyoxime twice. This is a coordination complex which is insoluble in nature. By forming NiTMG twice, dimethyl chloroxine. The amount of nickel is estimated. One more important uses of the coordination complexes is it is used to catalyze a number of chemical reaction. It is used to catalyze the number of chemical reaction. The catalyst Wilkinson's catalyst. The catalyst Wilkinson's catalyst, which is nothing but pH 3 thrice, nothing but triphenyl phosphane or HCl. It is an example of Wilkinson's catalyst. Chlorido triphenyl phosphane, actually the bracket starting from here. Triphenyl phosphane, rhodium complex, it is called Wilkinson catalyst. This catalyst used in the hydrogenation of alkene. What is hydrogenation of alkene? You know what is meant by hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen to alkene. For an example, alkene, the first alkene is ethylene, CH2, double bond CH2, undergo hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen in the presence of Wilkinson catalyst. Each one hydrogen is added to carbon atom gives CH3, single bond CH3. 2 carbon eth, double bond in ethane gives 2 carbon eth, single bond in ethane. Hydrogenation of alkene. One more catalyst, a well known and very most important catalyst called Ziegler-Natta catalyst. What is a catalyst? Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. It is a mixture of 2 components. One is titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminum. It is a mixture of 2 components used in the polymerization of ethene. Formation of a polymer from the monomer. Ethene gives polythene. What is the reaction involved? N number of ethene, CH2, double bond CH2 in the presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst gives a polymer called polyethene. When you pronounce polyethene or polythene. And it is also used in medicine and also in photography and also biological system and goes on. That we will discuss in the separate video. That is the applications of coordination complexes in medicine and also in photography, biological system, our hemoglobin, then chlorophyll, vitamin B12, that we discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.